Morning. Um, I am Kevin Diguma from Biscream 2A, from Biscream second year, Block A. The question is, what is your personal stand, and what do you think ethics is important in your daily life as a student? Uh, Ethics, for me, my personal stand on ethics is about doing the right thing, things more important than taking the easy way. Like doing the right thing, doing the right thing means doing the right thing even when no one is watching. So, ibig sabihin, uh, ang ethics daw ay kung ikaw ay ethical person is may tama ka na, may ginagawa kang tama kahit hindi nakikita sa iba, basta alam mo sa sarili mo na tama ang iyong ginagawa. And how ethics is important in my daily life as a student. For me, it is important in my daily life because it helps me be honest in my work, and also makes me a good choices, just like not cheating, because we know that cheating is uh, bad influence. And also, it is important in our daily life as a student because uh, it builds us a strong mindset that like we know how to respect everyone, people around us, how to be fair, how to be honest, how to be responsible for all the things that we do. So that's having an ethical stand is means having a critical set of principles, or values, that guide us to think, uh, decide, and how we act in everyday life. So ethics is important. Like you just trying to you're just always trying to do right thing every day, and like just to be kind to others, just like that.